Good afternoon, slot car and race car fans around the world. It is I, Stingray Johnny. We are going to talk about decals today. Now, I have a bunch of these cars here. These are all Auto World bodies. And I have made decals for these cars. And you too should be able to make decals for your cars. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Now you are going to have a few things in order to do this. You're going to have a computer. You're going to have a printer. You're going to have some sort of program so you can scale the size of these decals. Some kind of an art program where you can scale the size of the decals, because you're going to want them to fit your vehicle. And chances are they're not going to until you scale them down to size. But that's probably going to be your biggest trick, because I don't think I know most of you have a printer. I know most of you have a computer. I don't think most of you have a print program or something that you can edit. Maybe you do. I don't know. But if you can get past that, you can make your own decals. Now, where do you get the designs? Well, you get the designs from online. You can get a lot of these decals, the design online, and then you just scale them to size. Now this one I actually made myself, my Coodalicious car. I made that one myself. But most of these you can just get already pre-made pictures online, and then just save them to your computer and then cut them down and or resize them. And then you can do your thing. This one, again, this one is one of my favorite ones. So what you do is you find the the decal that you want, and you save it to your computer, and then you print it on your printer. Now this paper, there's different types. Some is for laser printers, some is for inkjet printers. Most of us, I think, have inkjet printers. Print out what you want. And mine happens to be an inkjet. And what you need to do is, you need to find the paper first. It's what they call waterslide. It's waterslide inkjet clear. And the thing is, you have to understand that anything that's white in the background will not print on clear. All you're seeing is the back of the paper itself. You're not, the decal will come off clear, so you don't have to cut right around the decals. You just cut around it, and semi close. But anything that's not like say this one here, red or black, if it's clear around there or white around there, it's going to come out clear when you put it on the car, like this car. Okay, so inkjet printer paper for waterslide decals. All right, you can find it. You can find it on Amazon. It's not hard to get. You can get it just about anywhere. So you print out your decal, and then you cut it out, and you're going to have to put it in some water. Doesn't have to be hot. I prefer hot water, but even regular room temperature water works. You put the decal in the water for 30 seconds or so, and it will loosen up from the back of the paper. And then you bring that piece of paper over to your car, and then you just slide that decal. That's why they call it water slide. Again, they're a lot of fun to make. They're not that hard to do. If you can resize your stuff, you're going to be good. I think you're going to really enjoy making your own decals. And again, it's not that hard to do. I'm sure that there are questions you will have, which you can put comments down below, and I'll be glad to answer the questions for you, because it's hard to know. It's hard for me to know everything that you're going to want to ask. Another thing is, I prefer to use them on white cars, or at least light colored cars. These decals are not going to show up well on a black car or dark colored cars. They show up a lot better on lighter colored cars, because they are ever so slightly transparent. I mean, not really, but translucent, maybe we'll call it. They're not, you know, and there are ways to conquer that too. You can back them with white decals, but that's a whole nother video. This is, like I said, for, you know, yellow cars, orange cars, white cars, cars like, you know, light colored cars. And they come out really nice, as you can see. In fact, I'll show you the whole. Oh, jeez, I didn't expect that to happen. But, you know, this is my cars. Okay. And these are some of the cars that I've done. I've done more, but these are some of them. And hopefully you really enjoyed that, especially because I probably broke my track. But that's about it for today. Like I said, I'm sure you're going to have some questions. You know, put them in the comments section, and I'll gladly try to answer them for you. But this is not hard. This is not hard to do. If you haven't done it before and you have the capability, I would recommend you try it. I think you'll really enjoy it. Do me a favor and like and subscribe to this video. I really need subscribers, and I need likes, and I need comments, and I need it all because I'm a needy person. Anyways, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.